Hello everyone, we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 3370, smallest number with all set bits. Let's read out the problem. You are given a positive number n. Return the smallest number x greater than or equal to n such that binary representation of x contain only set bits. Let's see what are set bits. A set bits refers to a bit in the binary representation of a number that has a value of 1. So in binary representation, we want all the values to be 1. Okay. For example, we are given n equals to 5, then we are returning 7 because 7 has 1, 1, 1 in binary representation. Okay. And we are given 10, then we are returning 15. So simply, for example, if we are given 5, then we are the 5 has binary representation this 101. So we are just changing all the 0 that are present to 1. Okay, if we change. So simply we will change it to 1 1 1. So it will give 7. Let's do it. Uh, I equals to 0. One shift I until it is less than n. Okay, then we will change the set bit n equals to n or one shift I I plus plus, and we will return n. Let's check it out. Okay, let's submit. Okay, it got accepted. Okay, can we do one more thing? We can One more thing we can do. We can find the nearest to keep integer which is greater than nearest integer which is power of 2, but it is greater than the number. For example, in this, the nearest greater integer with power 2 is 8, and we can subtract 1 from that, which will also give us 7. And in this also, if we are given 8, then the nearest greater power of 2 is 16 minus 1, which will give 15. And we know 15 can be written as 1 1 1 1 in binary representation. So let's solve in this way also. So simply we will do log base 2 n and I plus plus and we will return power of 2 comma I minus 1. Why it is taking long? Five. Okay, let's submit it. It got accepted. Any other thing need to do? No. That's all, everyone. Thank you.